looking for ways to keep your liver healthy and toxin-free? It can be tricky to know how to do this, but it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll share 16 simple tips that you can follow to protect your liver from toxins. Whether you're looking for easy lifestyle changes to make or just want to understand more about how your liver works, we have you covered. 1. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet is essential to keeping your liver healthy and toxin-free. Eating a variety of whole foods that are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals will help your body naturally detoxify itself. Include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet, as well as lean proteins, such as fish and poultry. Aim to get at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Also, opt for whole grains over processed grains, such as white bread and pasta. Furthermore, consuming healthy fats, such as nuts and seeds, can also help protect your liver from toxins. Avoid processed foods, as these are often full of unhealthy ingredients. If you eat meat, try to choose organic, grass-fed, and grass-finished varieties. 2. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy ingredients such as added sugars, trans fats, sodium, and artificial preservatives that can cause harm to your liver. Processed foods can be high in calories and low in nutrients, making them an unhealthy choice for your overall health. When it comes to your liver health, avoiding processed foods is key. Instead of processed foods, focus on eating a whole foods diet that includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your consumption of refined grains and sugars and make sure to check the nutrition labels of packaged products for added sugars, sodium, and trans fats. In addition to being bad for your liver, processed foods can also increase your risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. They can also lead to weight gain and inflammation. To keep your liver healthy, focus on eating a balanced diet filled with nutrient-dense foods from all food groups. 3. Get enough exercise. Regular exercise is essential for protecting your liver from toxins. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Exercise also helps you maintain a healthy weight and improves your immune system, which helps protect your liver from toxins. Exercising for 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week, can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Aim to do aerobic exercises, such as running, swimming, or cycling, to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Strength training can also be beneficial. Lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises can help build muscle and improve overall health. If you're having trouble finding time to exercise, try fitting it into your daily routine. Take a walk after dinner, take the stairs instead of the elevator, or do a few yoga poses before bed. Even small amounts of physical activity can add up to big improvements in your health. 4. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol can be damaging to your liver and should be limited to no more than 2 drinks per day. When drinking, you should always do so in moderation and never exceed the recommended daily limits. Heavy or frequent drinking can lead to serious health issues, including cirrhosis and other liver damage. Alcohol is a toxin that can accumulate in the liver, damaging cells and tissues. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to fatty liver disease, which can then progress to inflammation of the liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and eventually cirrhosis. Symptoms of liver damage from alcohol abuse include fatigue, nausea, jaundice, and abdominal pain. It is important to keep track of your alcohol intake and ensure that you are not exceeding the recommended levels for your age and gender. If you think you have a problem with drinking too much, speak to your doctor about the best course of action for you. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking can be very damaging to your liver. The chemicals in cigarettes can build up in your system, leading to inflammation and cirrhosis of the liver. This can also increase your risk of developing liver cancer. Quitting smoking is one of the best ways to protect your liver from toxins. The good news is that quitting smoking is possible and has immediate health benefits. If you are ready to quit smoking, there are many resources available to help you. You can visit your local health department or talk to your doctor about options such as nicotine replacement therapy or medications to help with cravings. You can also join a support group or reach out to friends and family for help. There are also apps and online programs that can help you on your journey to quitting smoking. Making the decision to quit smoking can be difficult, but it is one of the best things you can do for your health and for your liver. Quitting smoking can reduce your risk of liver disease, improve your overall health, and save you money in the long run. Make sure to keep yourself motivated, seek help from others, and reward yourself for meeting milestones on your journey to quitting smoking. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Weight management is an important part of protecting your liver from toxins. Being overweight can increase your risk of fatty liver disease, which can lead to cirrhosis and other serious health issues. Keeping a healthy weight is essential for maintaining optimal liver health. To achieve and maintain a healthy weight, it's important to create an individualized diet and exercise plan. Start by consulting with a doctor or nutritionist to determine the amount of calories you should be eating each day and the types of foods that are best for you. When it comes to exercise, try to find activities that you enjoy and commit to doing them regularly. Regular physical activity helps keep your body weight in check and keeps your metabolism running efficiently. Make sure to also get adequate rest and sleep, as this can help with weight maintenance. Strive to keep yourself motivated by setting reasonable goals and tracking your progress. Regular weigh-ins are also helpful in keeping you on track. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight and protect your liver from toxins. 7. Manage your stress levels. It's no secret that stress can wreak havoc on your health, and that includes your liver. Long-term stress can lead to an increase in toxic hormones, which can damage the liver. To keep your liver healthy, it's important to take steps to manage your stress levels. There are many different ways to reduce stress, including regular exercise, meditation, yoga, deep breathing, mindfulness practices, talking with a therapist, spending time in nature, listening to music, and engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Additionally, if you're struggling with severe stress or anxiety, you may benefit from taking prescribed medications to help manage your symptoms. In addition to these activities, make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Sleep is essential for helping your body and mind recover from the stress of the day, and if you're not getting enough sleep, it will only add to your overall stress levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night. By making time to manage your stress levels and taking measures to reduce it, you'll be helping your liver remain healthy and free from toxins. 8. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is one of the best ways to keep your liver healthy and free from toxins. Water helps to flush out toxins and waste products, while also keeping your cells hydrated and helping to flush out any accumulated fats in the liver. It's recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, or about 2 liters, for optimal liver health. Aim for filtered or mineral water whenever possible, as it contains fewer toxins. You can also add fresh lemon juice or cucumber slices to your water for added flavor and nutrition. 9. Consume grass-fed, grass-finished meat. Grass-fed, grass-finished meat is an important part of a healthy diet for protecting your liver from toxins. This type of meat is higher in nutrients than grain-fed meat and has been found to have lower levels of fat and cholesterol. Grass-fed, grass-finished meat is also higher in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for your overall health and can help protect the liver from damage. In addition, grass-fed, grass-finished meat contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which has been found to reduce inflammation, improve immune system function, and protect against some types of cancer. By including grass-fed, grass-finished meat in your diet, you can provide your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to stay healthy and ward off toxins. 10. Take liver supplements. Taking a liver supplement can be a great way to support your liver health. Liver supplements are usually made from natural ingredients such as milk thistle, artichoke extract, turmeric, and other herbs that have been shown to protect the liver from toxins. They may also contain antioxidants and essential vitamins and minerals that can help keep the liver healthy. Before taking any supplements, it is important to talk to your doctor to make sure they are safe for you. Taking too much of a supplement can be dangerous, so be sure to follow the dosage instructions on the product label. Additionally, taking a supplement should not replace healthy lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise. 11. Avoid energy drinks. Energy drinks may seem like a great way to get an extra energy boost when you need it, but they can be extremely detrimental to your liver health. Most energy drinks contain large amounts of caffeine and sugar, which can stress out your liver and interfere with its ability to detoxify your body. Additionally, energy drinks often contain artificial colors and flavors, which can cause liver damage as well. If you are looking for a way to stay energized during the day, consider eating healthy snacks or drinking green tea instead of energy drinks. Your liver will thank you. 12. Grow certain houseplants to help soak up chemicals. Houseplants aren't just a great way to add some color and life to your living space. Certain types of houseplants are incredibly effective at helping to protect your liver from toxins. According to a study conducted by the University of Washington, certain houseplants can absorb large amounts of toxins in the air, helping to purify the air you breathe and reduce the amount of toxins that could potentially harm your liver. One of the most effective air purifying plants is the common ficus or weeping fig, which is known for its ability to remove chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Other great options include peace lilies, English ivy, and spider plants. These plants require minimal maintenance and are easy to keep alive, making them an excellent choice for those wanting to improve their home's air quality and reduce their exposure to toxins. 13. Get a good water filter. Water is essential for our bodies, but it can also contain many toxins that can be damaging to our livers. To make sure you are getting the cleanest and safest water possible, invest in a good water filter. Water filters remove contaminants from your drinking water, such as chlorine, lead, mercury, and other toxic chemicals. It can also help to reduce the amount of heavy metals present in your drinking water, which can be harmful to your liver. Look for a filter that meets NSF/ANSI standard 53 or 58, which means it has been certified to reduce certain levels of contaminants in your drinking water. Installing a water filter can give you peace of mind when it comes to ensuring your drinking water is safe and free of toxins. 14. Use chemical-free beauty products. In order to protect your liver from toxins, you should always opt for chemical-free beauty products. Many conventional beauty products contain harsh ingredients that can be damaging to the liver. These include parabens, phthalate, synthetic fragrances, and petrochemicals. It is best to look for products that are labeled as natural, organic, or made with non-toxic ingredients. When shopping for chemical-free beauty products, look for items that are made with natural plant extracts, oils, and butters. These ingredients are much gentler on the skin and will not harm the liver. Also check for products that are certified organic and free of artificial fragrances. It is important to remember that your skin is an organ and absorbs everything you put on it. This means that it is just as important to protect it from toxins as it is to protect your liver. By using chemical-free beauty products, you can help keep your skin looking its best while protecting your liver from harmful toxins. 15. Consume wild-caught fish. Wild-caught fish are a great way to get healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. These nutrients are important for keeping your liver functioning optimally. Wild-caught fish also contain antioxidants that can help protect your liver from toxins. Aim to eat wild-caught fish at least twice a week, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are also a good source of selenium and other minerals that can boost liver health. When purchasing wild-caught fish, make sure to buy from reputable sources, as fish from polluted waters may be contaminated with mercury or other toxins. 16. Eating more plants. This is another excellent way to keep your liver healthy. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and whole grains are all great sources of fiber and phytonutrients that can support the function of the liver. Eating a variety of brightly colored plant foods will ensure you get enough fiber in your diet and help you meet your daily nutrient needs. For example, leafy greens such as kale, spinach, collards, and Swiss chard are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like iron and folate, which are beneficial for the liver. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage provide valuable antioxidants that keep the liver strong and healthy. You should also include beans and legumes in your meals at least once a day. These foods provide soluble fiber, which is beneficial for reducing inflammation and improving gut health, which has positive effects on the liver too. And there you have it, 16 simple tips to keep your liver healthy and toxin-free. Taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health and wellness, and incorporating these tips into your daily routine can make a big difference. Remember to always listen to your body and seek medical advice if you have any concerns. We hope this video was informative and helpful, and if you liked it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more health and wellness content, and as always, thanks for watching.